Hi besties, I will, you know what? Oh, exactly. Egg, motherfucking exactly. Like, that is just, you know what? I will do an intro when I'm okay. I'm not okay. I just finished writing the most humbling test. Like, I'm humbled, you know. I am humbled. I just finished writing my last test, but I have a practical exam on Friday. It's the 10th of June, right? It is the 10th of June, and this is the time. It's 12, exactly 12, and we are heading to Rosebank. I need to fetch my order from Foschini, so let's do that, and I'm taking you guys with. So let us fetch my order from Foschini and at what we got. Look at what we got, guys. What we got. Hi besties. Apartment update. Well, it's like bedroom update, but still an apartment. It is still an apartment update. Hi besties, welcome to a new clip in the vlog. And we have another apartment update, just a mini apartment update. There isn't much really that changed because honestly we don't need anything else. We really do not need anything else. We didn't get a TV or a TV stand, and we don't need any of those because we don't really watch TV like that. I mean, we watch on our laptops. We have our laptops. Even at home, we don't watch TV. I don't watch TV, especially me. I don't watch TV at all. So as long as I have my laptop, I'm okay. I have DSTV now on my laptop. I have Netflix on my laptop. I have Showmax. I have everything on my laptop. So we don't really need a TV. That would be so much of a big waste considering the fact that I might move back to Raise next year. So we don't really, like, all of those things are very unnecessary right now. We got the basics, and I think, you know, that is enough. But I got myself a headboard. To be honest, I wasn't gonna get it, but because I'm working with Timu, so there's some things that are home decor type, so I need to redo my room. So I thought maybe a headboard would make it look nicer. So that's the only reason why I got a headboard, and it's a win for me as well because my bed at home, it's also a double bed, and this bed that I have here is also a double bed, so I can use this headboard at home. If I do move back to Raise, I can still use it at home. So that's why to me it's not like a waste or anything. So I got myself a headboard, and that is what we're going to be unboxing right now. That is what we're going to be unboxing, and I'm super excited. So let us start with the unboxing. I'm just praying that I don't have to assemble anything by myself. myself because I'm just a girl. Because I'm seeing the legs now and I'm like, I'm not assembling anything. This is her. How beautiful is she, guys? She is so gorgeous. I want you guys to see the color. I want you guys to see the color. How beautiful. Like, she's so perfect. She is super perfect. And she matches the couch. How cute is that? How beautiful is that? I think I am a little bit stressed out because these are the legs, right? That have to go behind that. And then in here, there's needles. Is it needles? No, they're not called needles. Screws. Why am I saying needles? Why am I saying needles? There's screws in here. So I don't know what that is telling me because I'm not about to be in my Bob the Builder era. Like, I'm literally not about to be in my Bob the Builder era because I'm just a girl. I am literally just a girl. I'm literally just a girl. But let's see. Let's actually see if I can work something out. If not, then I am doomed. Guys, I'm cutting this off. I'm guessing this is what's gonna help me turn them in. Yeah, so I'm just gonna try assemble. And I'm also seeing another one here, and then there's also holes on the actual leg. So here's one, and there's another one here on top. So I'm just gonna be in my Bob the Builder era. It's an era that I didn't want for myself, but the circumstances are pushing me to be in that era. And guys, I'm in my Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Hello? Why is it not? Oh, really? Okay, I think that is done. This is how this space is looking before. So we are gonna assemble it and see how it looks. Just gonna push the bed to come this side a little bit. Ooh. 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 To give enough space for the headboard. Oh my gosh, not me finding my bonnet that I was looking for forever. But we are gonna give it a bit of space. Okay, I think that is enough. But also, I think I might just need to clean a bit here. Oh, this is so heavy. This headboard is so heavy, guys. My future husband is gonna pay for all his sins. Because why am I assembling and carrying an entire headboard while he is still alive? Hopefully he is. But like, how do I do it? Should I place it on the bed and then turn it like that? I should actually assembled it in here because... Anyways, let me... Play. Ah! Ah! Guys, this is so heavy. How do I do it? This is heavy. Now, I'll do this. This is heavy. And I'm gonna do this. Exactly. 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 I'm just gonna take these off because and that. And then I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Oh. Like that. A huge thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring this part of the video. Today was just one of those days where I wasn't okay at all. Today, out of all the days, was the day I needed to show myself a little bit of extra love and care. So I ran myself a hot bubble bath and did my skincare routine. Father's Day is every year, but there was just something different about this year's Father's Day that hit me so hard. But lucky for me, I have BetterHelp that helped me get through my day. BetterHelp is the world's largest therapy and it is 100% online. With BetterHelp, you can tap into a network of over 30,000 licensed and experienced therapists who can help you with a wide range of issues. To get started, you just answer a few questions about your needs and preferences in therapy. That way, BetterHelp can match you with the right therapist, which you can change if you're not happy. You can talk to your therapist via text, chat, call, or video call, however way you're comfortable. Remember, you do not have to go through things alone. Join BetterHelp and get 10% off your first month of therapy using my link displayed on the screen and also in the description box. Hi besties, I hope you guys are doing well because I am barely coping, okay? But it is Father's Day today and what a triggering day. Just finished getting ready, or rather just finished having like a mini Sunday reset, or it was just a mini Sunday reset really. Just to calm down and just to connect with myself again, especially today. Let us do that together. We're going to cook together, but I think I might need to buy a few stuff from Checker 60, but yeah, so we're gonna cook together. For now, let us make tea and relax, and then I'll catch up with you guys when it is time to cook. Okay. As Shaya a young let me show you guys what I got from Checkers. Nothing basic, nothing special. I got these. also got potatoes. I got some yogurt. And then I got some jumping jacks or whatever. Guys, really to you this Father's Day. Oh no, this is so cute. Yes, I'll see you guys when we start cooking dinner. I love this song so much, you guys. I love it. Anyways, yesterday I was, today I'm Marani. Today. Hi besties, welcome to a new day in the vlog. Today we are shooting for Temu, and yeah, so today we are shooting for Temu, and that is what I'm preparing for. But I just need to run to the mall to get something from Mr. Price Home, but I'm just thinking if I should actually go to the mall or just start shooting and then I'll go to the mall tomorrow. But I'm also just thinking might as well just get it over and done with today, so that tomorrow I can shoot whatever that I need to shoot, like whatever that's left to shoot. But I'm also scared that I'm gonna go to the mall and I'm gonna get a bit tired and then I don't shoot, and then there's just a lot. But I'm on here to show you guys the new jackets that I got. The first one I got from Edgar's, and that's the one that I'm going to be wearing today. Well, actually, let me show you guys the coat first that I got from Bash. The fix. And then I picked this up at Roseback. But actually, I saw this coat from my friend Precious, and I'm like, girl, I need that coat. I need that coat, and I don't have a coat, guys. So this, I definitely need it. This, I definitely need it. The price, let's discuss all the logistics. The price, 600. Got it for 600, and it's a size 6 from the fix, like I mentioned. And this is the coat. This is the coat. What is this color? I think it's natural. On the website it says it's natural. Yeah, from Foschini. Not Foschini, sorry, the fix. Let's actually put it on. Let's see if it actually fits. Ooh. And I think it's getting hotter. Am I just being delusional? Am I just being delulu? Ooh, I'm about to eat. I am about to eat in this coat. How do I put you guys? Let me put you guys there, and then let me move back. Girl, you guys can't see it. I need you guys to see this coat. And it matches my headboard. Oh, I love this color so much. I love this color so much, you guys. Please don't mind the mess that is going on here. Please, guys, I'm gonna get that fixed. But this is the coat. How beautiful. This is the coat, and it was worth 600. Honestly, it was definitely worth it. I'm just gonna wear it proudly. This is the coat. And this is how it looks at the back. Details, Sana. Details. But yeah, I think maybe I might have. If I'm gonna tie it too tight. Let me just do it again. Because one thing about my waist is that it is non-existent. So if I'm gonna tie it too tight, I gotta get this. But yeah, this is the coat. Is the Zara dupe, but from Edgar's. Yeah, I got this from Edgar's Rosebank. So I didn't get it online. I got it in store from Edgar's in Rosebank. And where is the price? This is the price, 650, which is quite expensive because it's like half. This one is 600, but it's like this long coat with more material used, and it is warmer. This arena 2000 and I got it in a size 8, by the way. But this is the coat that I'm gonna be, is it a coat? Jacket that I'm gonna be wearing today to run my quick errands. And then it's like Talani. Look at that, guys. Look at that, you guys. Just take a look at that. Isn't this gorgeous? Like, it is so pretty. I love this jacket so much, and it isn't warm, by the way. It's not really warm, hey, but yeah, I honestly love this jacket. I got it from Edgar's, like I mentioned, and yeah, so I think we need to now head out and go to the mall, run our quick errand so that we can come back and shoot. Yeah, let us go to the mall. Am I taking you guys with? Let's go, actually. Let us go to the mall together, and bye. Besties, I just got back. Well, not me lying, but I'm on here to show you guys what I got from Mr. Price Home, so that I can close off the vlog, because I think that is all for the vlog. But I got this pillow. I am working on something cute with Temu, and I just need this as like one of the pieces that I'm going to use. And this was for 200. I got this for 200 at Mr. Price Home. And then I also got this fitted sheet from Mr. Price Home as well, and this was the price, 180. I'm also going to need this for the video that I need to cook with Temu. And yeah, so that is basically it. If you watched the vlog until the very end, thank you so much. I love and appreciate you so much. If you're not subscribed, please do the right thing and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any videos. If you like this vlog, please do give it a huge thumbs up. And what are we commenting today? Let us comment pink hearts. I don't know why, it's because I'm wearing pink pants and I'm just thinking, let us comment pink hearts. So if you watch the vlog until the end, let us comment these pink hearts so that I know the regular regulars, the real ones of this channel. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog until the very end. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Love you guys so much. Bye.